are driving here in Chiang Mai and the streets are so narrow. Whenever a car comes from the front, it feels like you're driving in one way. It is extremely narrow.
Oh, two old ladies.
And a baby, no helmet, so you have to be super careful when you drive around here.
Everywhere a scooter pops out or pulls in.
It's extremely steep going up here.
Oh,
Come.
That's flat tops. Nothing I can do. And that's where it's stuck. Pedal to the metal. And you can see the hill is
And we are
on
off
top.
again.
Yeah.
And we are still on our way. Just look at the beautiful nature scenes.
Once again, we found ourselves on an isolated, deserted gravel road. We tend to find these roads whenever we driving through some serious mountain passes on our way to the next destination. I'm not even sure what it's called. Doesn't seem like it's very touristy because there's no English words there and very little accommodation. So we're gonna have quite an adventure tonight to find accommodation, and the weather is not playing out exactly the way it should be for what we want to go and see. Oh, look. All of a sudden we're coming out of the cloud again and it looks promising, just like that. You see blue skies. We've been driving in these rainy conditions for quite some time now, about half an hour, maybe longer, through all the mountain passes, but now all of a sudden it seems like on the other side there is hope, and hopefully today we can still show you what we're after. It's not exactly touristy. Best place to have lunch. Right, the sun has just gone down. Drove all the way here from Chiang Mai, Doi, Sutep. I think it's the temple's name there by Chiang Mai, because that's the place you have to go with the nice view in it. It has some nice view, but it wasn't so spectacular for me. The view was nice, but the rest was just, I don't know, there was nothing to it. But there's this one place that's there's this one place that I just can't resist, which I saw and I've told you about it, and I just made it in time. There was like 20 minutes left to go and capture it, and I got it on the drone. I went up from where we were to 480 meters before I got to the same level as this place. So this place is, for me, is phenomenal. That's the word I'm looking for. So this place is phenomenal. It's beautiful. I just got a glimpse of it. The battery when I started was 74%, and when I got there it was like 47, and it said it's going to return home. So I just cancelled that and did a couple of shots, but I want to go there again. I got the last sunrise in the afternoon. Tomorrow I'm going to try and get the first sunrise in the morning on the other side, because it's really both sides equally the same. It's like cliff on both sides. You'll see the footage.
guys can see me.
Thanks, Mom.
Why does it work?
I thought it worked.
It's not working.
It's working like Daddy's. I think it's the wrong way.
Anyway, we are in a town that we can't pronounce the name, or we actually can't read the name. Thank you. And we've driven to the hotel on Google Maps, the 24-hour hotel. There's absolutely nobody there. Everything is pitch dark. Evan has gone out now to the neighbor with Google Translate just to try and find out if she can help us by telling us where we could possibly try and find accommodation. So wish us luck. There's the lady. And Sawadika. What did they say?
I don't know, this one said I must follow him. This one just giggles. She, the first time she came out, and then when I came back the place was closed and locked, and she didn't come out at all until this guy stopped. So definitely not tourist environment.
Mommy, look at
And I
this.
kind of like it.
Translate.
I used to translate, but that thing, I must perhaps just figure out exactly how it works. Because from all my screaming, it translated one thing eventually, and it's called hello. And then I want to replay the Thai text or Thai speech to him, and I don't know how. But this guy is taking us now somewhere.
Did he understand what you were saying?
Well, he read it, and then he said, follow. He said, you follow me, like that, exactly. You follow me.
In English?
In English.
So he knows a bit of English.
Yeah, when I stopped him, I asked him, can he speak English? He said, a little bit.
Oh, okay. This looks very rural.
Yes,
Daddy,
it does. Oh,
this
there's a
is
big
not a
sign, yeah.
village. It is a mountain. But
Oh, it looks nice.
It looks very nice.
Right, I'll be back.
It looks very nice.
Yeah, I love it. I like it.
Let's keep fingers crossed they will give us accommodation here for the
The thing
night.
I'm just scared
It'll
about.
be so great.
The thing.
We'll take that one.
Have you seen
That
that
one?
banana
Yeah?
Wow.
Take, yeah.
That's one.
Yeah, just one.
No.
No, that one is good, yeah.
I'm just afraid.
Wait.
นี่สปีกเกอร์ผมอยู่ไปแล้ว
ไปจะได้นะตัวรถกันนั่นแกก็
รถเขียงผมเอารถเขียงมา
อ๋อรถเครื่อง
ร
มา
ถไซ
Do you
ค์
like with knife?
Oh.
It's gonna eat me. It's gonna
Alright.
eat. It's
Also 500.
ไฟเลย
500. Oh, this is good. This is wonderful. We will take. Alright, one night.
วันไหน
Yeah, one night.
รวม
คืนคืนแม่นะว่าคืน
Uh,
ได้
วันรวม
yeah, one room. That one we'll take, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, we
Stand up.
negotiated a room for the night. 500 baht, which is very cheap actually. And we're gonna take that one.